Marvel Annual 14878. It is on the listing. We will randomize our bunch of names. Actually, I think G's already put these in for me. No, so I can't believe you just called me Bailey. 1, 2, 3. There's no way it was autocorrect. And 5. Matthew top, Chucky bottom. That is 5 times. You know, I can't remember what I was going to say. Yeah, I hit like 7 Pokemon centers.
Oh, nice. What was the best one? Or your favorite one?
The one, it's the Mega Center in Sunshine City is probably number 1. Like it's the best one.
That's fair.
That one is, I think it's the biggest as well.
Mm-hmm. Multiple Man, Icarus Annual Impact, Gilgamesh variant, Shang-Chi, and Galactus.
But they all have like their own little specialty things as well. So like if you go somewhere, like, you know.
Ooh, Immortal Hulk Silver and Black Panther.
There was like one that had bath bombs, but the rest didn't, for example. It's like, okay, that's weird.
Oh, yes, I've been seeing the bath bombs everywhere.
They like come out, like they have a little Pokemon inside. You could get like...
and you don't know until
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, Brooke and I both did an Evolution one. I think I got like Flareon or something.
Nice. Mortal Hulk, Luke Cage, Annual Impact, Spider-Man variant, Danny Moonstar, and Rogue. I know they've all got like a different like Pokemon statue.
Yes.
Too.
And you can get the little collectible warm coins.
Yes, yes. Oh, Splashticular. What have we got there? Oh, Eternals. Very appropriate. And Lady Sif. Groot, Doctor Strange, Human Torch variant, Echo, and Captain America. Phastos, Polaris, X-Men Trial of Magneto, Dormammu Silver, and Spider-Woman. Magneto, Daredevil, She-Hulk #1, Doctor Doom Silver, and Ultimatum. Gertrude Yorks, Humble Beginnings, Doctor Doom, Captain Britain variant, Doctor Strange, and Ghost Spider. Marvel Girl, America Chavez, Eternals #1, America Chavez Silver, I love that one, Gamora, Toad, Humble Beginnings Iron Man, White Fox variant, Thor, and Zora Vukovic. X-23, Cable, Shang-Chi #1, Spider-Man in the Backscatter, and Theme. Ooh, Arrow, Star Rookies Harrower, Storm variant, Mr. Fantastic, and Wolfsbane.
Well, I'm still here. Well, the Pokemon Center's like, did I not just go on a massive talk about it?
Yes, you did.
What?
Vanderbilt,
Am I
Electrolysis,
cooked in the head?
Marvel Girl Silver, and Drax.
Did I not just go on a big thing like, oh yeah, you know, each one has their own thing. It's full of different Pokemon stuff.
Karma, Humble Beginnings Magneto, She-Hulk variant, Black Widow, and Luke Cage. Oh. Yes, yes. Star-Lord, Humble Beginnings Captain America, Miss Marvel variant, Phyla-Vell, and Wolverine. And then last one, you've got Namor, Null, Moon Knight #1, or Artist Death card of Marvel Girl.
That's cool. Who got that?
Oh, hell yes. Luke. The
Congratulations,
artist
Luke.
I can't read that, but it starts with B. Bamo.
Bonozo.
That's so cool, though.
That's nice. I really like that.
That's nice. That's like a marker one. I feel like most of the ones we've seen have been like just pencil. Oh, hell yes. And then also Onslaught. Oh, that is sick. There you go. And we've got both of them in that pack as well. Very appropriate.
Zenpai's on the beers. You gotta settle down, brother. Is that one done?
That was it.